In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how small creators like you can win with the new YouTube algorithm in 2025. Now, I'm not just going to be talking, I'm actually going to be talking with facts, with results, and of course with experience. Now, this is coming from someone like me who has run multiple faceless channels and have had success in each and every one of them. And of course, in today's video, I'm going to be dropping a case study of one of my video on my faceless channel that actually did over $1,000. I'm talking about just one video. I'm going to be sharing with you the strategy on how I posted, also how the video actually got views, the watch time hours, and everything you need to know about the algorithm, right? So the reason why you might not be having views on that your channel is because you're still following advice that somebody gave in 2020 that worked in 2020 but might not be working now in 2025. So welcome back to the channel once again. My name is Ben Kennedy. On this channel I share with you YouTube tips, strategies. Also I share with you how you can start and scale your online business, right? So if you like it here, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you're not going to miss out on any content that we actually put out right here on our channel. You're welcome, and without any further ado, let's proceed into this video. In today's video, you're going to be learning how the algorithm treats the small channels. Number two, the right strategies on how you can post your content and what to look out for when posting your content, even as a small creator here on YouTube. Number three, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can also generate revenue from your content and exactly how I made over $1,000 from just a single video on my faceless channel, right? And make sure to drop something in the comments so more people can see this video. So just want to keep the conversation going in the comments so you can actually help this video reach more people, because what you're going to be learning right here is a whole lot of information. Now, as a creator in 2025, when posting a video, you actually want to know how viewers find this video, which I'm going to be using the data of this my viral video to show you how viewers actually found this video. And I've actually researched on some of my other channels, and this data, they are somehow similar, which has made me concluded that this is the right way that YouTube actually show your videos to audience. So as a beginner, if you can identify your traffic source, which is the place that you're actually getting the most views from your video, you're going to know where to concentrate. Now, right here you can actually check it out. Most of the views of this video that did me over $1,000 came from browse features, and browse feature simply means that it came from people scrolling on their home feed on YouTube. So most times when you open the YouTube app, you don't even have the strength to go and start searching for some kind of content you want to watch. You just scroll through your home feed and check out, oh, is this content really good? If it's good, let me watch. And what draws attention in the first place whenever somebody sees your content? It is the thumbnail. So if you're a small creator on YouTube, when YouTube start pushing your videos to more people, people look at the thumbnail. So make sure your thumbnail is very engaging. And how can you create quality thumbnails? You could actually use Google Labs Wix. It is a tool by Google themselves, right? You could use that tool to create high quality thumbnails. You can get your prompt from ChatGPT, right? Let's say for example you want to create a prompt for folktale videos. You could just go over to ChatGPT and say, ChatGPT, I want you to give me prompt to create a thumbnail. Right now, once ChatGPT give you that prompt for so niche, let's say for example African folktale niche, once ChatGPT give you that prompt, copy the prompt and you can go to Google Labs Wix and you can paste in the prompt there and you can create high quality thumbnail. And guess what? This tool is 100% for free. Now, another method I'm going to recommend is Canva, right? Now, once you head over to canva.com, there are lots of templates, right, that you can customize. So Canva is going to tell you what you will design today. All you have to do is to put in the search bar, you want to design a thumbnail, right? Now you're going to see lots of templates that you can customize to your own tastes. And once you customize the template to your own taste, you can download and you can actually use and upload on your video. So make sure to work on your thumbnail. Now another thing right here too is actually suggested videos. That's another way that actually people get views, and suggested videos came from 30%. So in order for YouTube to suggest your videos should be relating to the audience they are suggesting that video to. What do I mean? When you're uploading, put right keywords. Now, what are right keywords? Right keywords are simply words that are related to the video you're posting or to the title, right? Now, let's say for example you're posting a video on African folktale, maybe a prince discovering that he's from the slum, right? Now, if you're posting an African folktale video, the tags that should be in that video should be folktales, storytelling, Africa. So those are examples of keywords. So in the grand scheme of things, keywords are words that are actually related to your title or to the video that you're posting, right? And normally I use VLQ and T-body to actually get my keywords. Now, if you want me to create a more elaborate video on that, you can just go down in the comment section and drop the word keyword, and definitely I'm going to be sharing with you how I rank my videos before I post on YouTube. Now, another thing also is via the YouTube search. Do an example and also check out your traffic source on your videos. You're going to see views lessly come from YouTube search, because most times, as of 2025 and in recent times, people hardly have the strength to go and search for something on YouTube to watch. So mostly the videos are either suggested to them or it's recommended to them on their home feed, which are the two main sources, which is the browse features and suggested videos, right? Now if you scroll up, you're going to see the reach of this video is 1.7 million views, right? That means the impressions that the video reached over 1.7 million people, and from that 1.7 million people that the video reached, now this video got 168,000 views. Now the click-through rate is 7.0%, right? Which is not quite bad, right? Because a lot of people saw this video, and out of that whole lot of people that saw the video, over 168,000 decided to watch. And guys, let's see the engagement of that video. Now the engagement of this video, we actually have in general 12.8 thousand watch hours, and imagine, to monetize your channel on YouTube you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. From this video alone I got 12.8 thousand watch hours. That means this video alone can monetize the channel over and over and over again. So what do I mean? Create quality videos so that people can watch and you can actually still get results for yourself, right? Now with that video, the average view duration is 4 minutes 33 seconds. So for people to watch a long form content and watch it to up to 4 minutes 33 seconds, meaning that that video is very engaging, and the length is around let's see, 14 minutes. That's the length of this video, 14 minutes, and people are watching over 4 minutes duration, which is good, right? And also another thing I'm going to say in this video is, when creating the videos, make sure to post the most quality videos ever, right? Because you don't even need 10 or 20 or 30 videos to monetize. One video can do the job, but it needs to be very quality, right? I prefer quality to quantity. So whatever you're putting out there or whatever you're posting, your videos should be quality, should be engaging. Now ask yourself this question: is this something that I can sit down and watch? If a video is something that you can sit down and watch, then that video you have at least 70% chance of going viral. But let's say, for example, you create a video and you cannot sit down and watch that video have less chance of going viral. So when creating a video, put yourself in the shoes of the viewers, and if the video is engaging for you, it's definitely going to do well, right? Now let's check out the revenue of this video. Right now, the revenue made from this video is around $1,244. Just this video alone, that's what it actually made. $1,244, only one of this video, which is quite good, right? I've seen some other of my videos done more than these figures, but I'm just sharing with you how you can actually win as a small creator. So the reason why this video made this much money is because people were watching more right into the video. It was on point because it mainly came from YouTube Home, right, which is YouTube recommending the videos, and people were watching for a good duration, at least 4 minutes. Currently our span attention is very low, and if people can watch to that minutes, like I said, it's good, right? Now you can actually check it out how much advertisers paid me for this video per 1,000 views, which is the CPM, which is the playback cost for every 1,000 views, was $13. Not that bad for the video per 1,000 views. That's amazing, right? Now let's check out the audience and let's see how many subscribers this one video actually gave me. So this video gave me on its own 2,100 subscribers on its own, right? So now, if you actually assume that, oh, you just need 1,000 subscribers to monetize the channel, I'm already getting 2,000 subscribers from just a single video. That means it's very attainable with one video. Just like what I've been repeating in this video. When creating a video, create a quality video that people can sit down and watch, right? Don't just rush. I prefer quality to quantity, especially in the whole YouTube automation game. So as of 2025 and definitely beyond, right? I don't know when they're going to change the whole stuff. Now, the algorithm craves or feeds on the retention rate. If the video is more interesting, they'll push it out to more people to watch. But if the video is less interesting, they're actually going to stop recommending the video that much. And that's why most times when you post a video on your channel, you just get views a certain period of time, and if you check out your dashboard, the views will just be flat to be zero, because wow, people are not watching that video up to a certain extent, right? Maybe they can click on the video and watch 20 seconds and go out of it. It's cutting the views count. Things like this is cutting the views count, and that is why I always tell small creators, when creating a video, don't just beg any random person to watch your video, right? And if they should watch your videos, tell them they should watch it to the end, so they will not hurt your view count. But at the end of the day, as a small creator, when you post a video that is very engaging, so people can also engage with the content. And when people engage with the content, they share it to more people to watch. Now, let me share with you the winning framework that you could actually use to succeed as a small creator, even with the whole new YouTube algorithm. Now, the first thing on my list I want you to do right now is, when choosing a niche, choose a niche that you're actually going to be very consistent with. Now, let's say for example today you post a video about fitness, and tomorrow you're posting another video on entertainment on that same channel. No, right? Don't confuse the YouTube algorithm. Just stay consistent and true to one thing. Once you pick up a niche, stay consistent to that thing, so that even when you start having returning viewers, they can still engage with all of your content. You don't want to just have like one breakout content on your channel that just one specific people they're watching, and they cannot come back again to watch another video. Just like when you're running a business, you don't just want to have clients that are not returning. You need to have returning clients, returning viewers. You build a community, and that's how your channel will grow. Number two, you need consistent value delivery. Now, most times you have a breakout video, like say for example a video that went viral, and the next video you start creating, the quality start dropping. Now, know that once you start creating good videos and that video actually made you have lots of subscribers, once you start dropping quality in videos, also know that your subscribers start dropping, and people that actually like the content to start dropping too. So just maintain value in your videos. Make sure they are nice, and of course make sure that they are engaging. That's above all, right? Finally, we have something called retention optimization. And when it comes to retention optimization, it simply means that your video should be engaging. Now, once you have a very good title and your videos are not really engaging, they suck, people are going to click out of the video, which, like I said earlier on, is going to hurt the view count of the video. That means YouTube is going to stop recommending the video to people, right? Or they start recommending the video less to people. So what you want to do is that you want to make sure that your video matches your thumbnail. That means they should be quality and people engage with the video, so that you could actually make more money for yourself. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and let me know if you have any questions. Please leave it down in the comment section. We also have a course program where we talked about the whole YouTube automation in general. You can check it out in the description of this video. I'm going to be leaving it there. Of course, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Stay with them. Peace.